For decades, getting into our own homes has meant stopping dead in our tracks. We dig through bags for metal keys, punch in memorized codes, or wait for a sensor to recognize us. The Yale Luna Pro Plus is built on a different premise. It treats the front door not as a barrier you have to pause for, but as a threshold that opens as you approach. Its built-in facial recognition scans and unlocks the deadbolt in less than 1.2 seconds. That is roughly the time it takes to blink. A highly secure home doesn't actually require you to break your stride. You simply walk up and walk in. Of course, early facial recognition systems had a glaring vulnerability. Hold up a high-resolution photograph or a 2D mask, and the door swings wide open. To solve this, the Yale Face Scan technology doesn't look at a flat image. It projects an invisible grid of 3D structured light across your features, measuring the exact physical depth and contour of your face. By requiring actual three-dimensional geometry, the system drops its false acceptance rate down to less than 0.001%. That level of precision brings high-end biometric verification to a residential entryway, while still keeping that 1-second unlock speed intact. But software is only half the equation. Most smart locks are physically designed around the height and reach of an average adult. If you're a child, the camera is often pointing right over your head. Looking at this technical diagram, we can see the lock's effective recognition field projects outward in a wide cone. It captures anyone standing between 120 centimeters and 190 centimeters tall. Then there's the hardware itself. Heavy automated doors and traditional motorized lock cases place moving metal parts right at the edge of the doorframe, creating a persistent risk for pinched fingers. Notice how the handle is positioned here. This patented off-center design physically shifts the grip inward, safely away from the strike plate and doorframe. By altering the geometry of the lock, the engineering team eliminated a common physical hazard before a child's hand ever reaches the door. Automated locks also tend to come with a highly disruptive side effect. Engaging a standard motorized deadbolt often sounds like grinding gears, echoing through the house and waking up sleeping family members. This enclosed metal lock case houses a fully automated mechanism, engineered specifically to operate rapidly, but with incredibly low noise. The locking and unlocking action happens smoothly behind the door panel. You might assume a system this quiet and highly specialized is meant for a single, small household, limited to a handful of users. This chart shows exactly how much data the hardware can process. It stores up to 100 individual faces, 100 personalized PIN codes, 100 RFID key tags, and 50 unique fingerprints. The hardware is quiet enough so you don't wake a sleeping infant, but possesses enough memory to manage access for an entire small business. The absolute worst-case scenario with any